So I'd like to take a quick moment to talk about screen readers and actually demo one to you. I am in no way qualified to show you much. Screen readers are actually pretty complicated tools, and with good reason, right? People use them to navigate the web exclusively, or at least some people do. So they have a lot of features, tons of keyboard shortcuts. I can never remember them. And some of the people who use them a lot, I have a friend who uses a screen reader who turns the speed up so insanely fast that I cannot understand. Maybe I can get 1 out of every 20 words that the screen reader says when he's really going and using it. It's crazy. Anyway, I just want to show you the difference between using semantic elements and not using semantic elements. So I'm going to open up the screen reader. This is a built-in screen reader on a Mac. It's called VoiceOver. There's one that's built into Windows machines. There's also software you can download and pay for. But on a Mac, it is Command and then F5. Should pop up. Okay.
Heading level
There
4
it is.
link. Subscribe. No items in web spots menu. You are currently in the VoiceOver menu. Chrome has new window.
Okay. So now I've opened up the web spots menu, which is just going to show me the different elements on this page that sort of jump out, things that I could look at easily. And there's nothing
Articles
here.
menu.
There are articles that are listed
Auto
here.
web spots menu.
Auto web spots, however this utility has decided on that.
Window spots menu. Links menu.
And then all of the links on the page, of which there are quite a few. But what if I just wanted to get to this top nav or the bottom nav, or I wanted to get to the main content? It's not clear how to do that at all. Now let's compare that to Stripe's website, which, if you recall, does use semantic elements. It uses nav elements for navigation links. And it uses, what else? Header and footer. It uses a main element. Well, now I've got this new menu called
Landmarks
Landmarks. Landmarks has navigation. So 3 different nav elements were used on this page, and I can quickly get to them. It also has the main element. So if I quickly wanted to get to the main content,
Navigation main. Link. NEW issuing is now available to all U.S. businesses.
if we look at all of the links on this page, which is what I was doing on the previous website on Medium, there are so many, it's just kind of overwhelming.
Visited.
I could scroll through them all. Wow. I mean, there's a lot of links on here. So seeing them all at once doesn't really help me. But if I go to the landmarks menu, I now can quickly jump. Do I want the navigation on the top or the bottom of the page? And then I can't even remember the shortcut to actually, is it enter?
Group. You are currently on a group. To interact with items in this group, press Control, Option, Shift, down arrow.
Control, Option, Shift, down arrow. No? Oh, come on.
Navigation.
Well, anyway, I'm already lost. You can see, though, hopefully you can see the difference. Just the fact that the VoiceOver utility can tell where navigation is on this page, where the main content is a huge improvement over what we had on Medium, where, as much as I love Medium, it just wasn't clear. Now, there probably are other tools and tips and tricks that real users of screen readers know, and maybe Medium is friendlier than I'm giving it credit for, or more accessible. But to me, with my very limited skill set using the screen reader, you can see that the semantic elements make a difference on a website like Stripe.